Welcome. In front of me is a MyPhone N23, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings application, disregard the message pop-up, and in the settings you want to scroll down to, hopefully you have storage. I guess we don't in here, so let's see. It's probably going to be right. It's going to be, as you can see, under About Phone. You'll have storage. Click on it. Give it a second, and we'll load it up. Then you want to click on the drop down where it says this device and select your SD card. Now for me, it does show me to set it up. I could do so, but I don't want to lose the data that is actually on the card. So I'm going to select cancel. Now what you want to do is click on the three dots that will appear right here for you. For me, the card isn't set up, so it doesn't show up like I said. And in those drop down menu, you'll find format option, and simply select format, confirm it, and this will then format the card. And this is basically all automated, so once it's done formatting, the card is then ready to be used once again. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to smash like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.